Hi everyone, welcome to Ansible Learning Series for Network Engineers. This is the 11th video on new Ansible Learning Series. In this video, we'll see how to use iOS user module for adding or deleting the users in Cisco routers. In the previous video, we have seen how to add static route, how to delete it, and using multiple options like aggregate and destination as interface or IP. I'll add that video also in the description and notification. Now we'll have a look into how to use iOS users. For that, I'll create a file here, YAML file. I will call that as 11_iOS. For that also, I'm going to use same device 62, so I can copy and paste this part, and I'll give a name here. Now here the module name we need to change. It is going to be iOS user. Here we can see the module name, and to add the user we have multiple options. First we need to give the name. Then to set the password we need to give hashed password. So I'll create a user called Ansible admin. This can be any user. So we need to give hashed password, and then we'll be hashing this using MD5. So I'll show that how to do that from Linux terminal. Hashed password, and under that we need to give type as 5 here, because here you can see for MD5 the type is 5. That is a required field. Then we need to put the value. So to generate the value, for example, if you see here these two users, this is hashed using MD5. So similar to that, we need to generate hashed password. So to generate that hashed password from Linux terminal, we can generate it. For that, the command is, we can use OpenSSL, then password -salt, and after salt we can give any random word. So here I am just giving a random word pass, and then the password what we need to configure. So my password is going to be admin. So I got the password. This is MD5 hashed value of admin. So we can copy and paste this to the device. Either we can directly copy and paste it and validate once, and we can just try putting it into playbook. So we'll put it into playbook, and under that we can even set the privilege. So we'll verify that option here. You can see here privilege is in the hashed password level. Then we need to give state. By default it is present, and then we need to register this as a variable. To print the command, I will call that as add user, and then we can do a print here. add user dot commands. So this will return the command what it is going to execute. Before that, we'll try logging into the device. So now I am not able to log in. Now let us verify the playbook. Syntax looks good, so we will try running the playbook. Okay. Now this has configured the user Ansible admin. We can verify that in the so here you can see the user and the encrypted password, MD5 hashed password. So now we'll try logging into the device. Password is admin. So now I am able to successfully log into the device. So now we have seen how to add a user with MD5 hash password. Next we will see how to delete a user. Now to delete a user, only thing what we need to do is change the state to absent, and we have one more option to delete. It is called purge. Once you give purge, what happens is it deletes all the user except admin, and you have provision to define what are the users need to skip while deleting. We will see that option as well. So first we will see the state absent option. We'll copy this. All these we can remove. State will give as absent. Remove user.commands. Now we'll try running this playbook. Okay, you can see the command here. This executed. No username Ansible admin. And now Ansible admin is not there. And now we'll see how to use purge option. For that I'll comment this. We will try adding this user again, and we already have admin and admin1 here. Now we got Ansible admin again. I'll copy this. Purge method, we'll call that as purge method, and uncomment this. And here under iOS user, I'll do, I'll create aggregate, and then admin we don't have to give, admin 1 will give. If you want, you can add multiple users here with hyphen, and then we can give purge here. Yes, and now we'll try running this playbook. If you are having another user, you can add that user also here using name. Whichever you doesn't want to delete, you can just give that username. Now I'm going to retain only the username admin and admin1. Admin will be kept by default, so this we can other users we can delete using purge. Okay, so this is given no username Ansible admin, and deleted that user, that particular user, and it kept only admin and admin1 here. In the next video, we'll see how to use iOS VLANs for managing the VLAN database in the Cisco switches. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.